We're trying to see if we didn't play anything, could we get quiet? The answer is no. Pretty good. Close enough, close enough. That was pretty quiet, actually. Somebody always has to ruin it, huh? Broken bottles in the hotel lobby. Seems to me like I'm just scared of never feeling it again. But I know it's crazy to believe in silly things, but it's not that easy. I remember it now, it takes me back to when it all first started. I've only got myself to blame for it, and I accept it's time to let it go out and start again. But it's not yeah, but I got it takes me back to where we started. When you let it go out and start again. When it all comes to an end, the world is spinning. Yeah. This world keeps spinning. It takes me back to where we started. Yeah, this world keeps spinning. How this world